So ito na po, paalis na kami. We're now here at Bukchon Hanok Village. So Silok. Open siya 11. Thank you. May natitira pang macaroni. Sabi na, antok ako. Sana makatulog ako sa bed. So may direct train naman from here going sa hotel. So this is beer cola. Ang sarap. Sino pong lasing? IC card yung pinagtatap sa pintuan ng hotel. Oh, nasa. So ito na po, paalis na kami. But we still have time para umikot. We're here sa Bukchon Hanok Village sa labas. Hindi pa po kami pumasok kasi 10 AM pa yung bukas niya. So may restricted siya from 5 PM to 10 AM kasi residential siya. So nandito muna kami sa labas. So this is Green Mile Coffee.
Can we get 2 organic matcha latte with oat milk?
Ice?
Hot, please. Let's go ahead.
Here?
Yes, please. Chocolate or vanilla?
Regular.
I'll have chocolate. Sa third floor tayo may rooftop daw. May view. Eto, kasa bukas pa. Sarado.
Sarado.
Madilim.
Sabi niya siguro. Set ako ng third. Ito na lang parang.
Terrible things started happening when you walked away. So that's why I stay right here. 'Cause when all of my dreams seem so out of reach, you're crystal clear. You don't disappear, baby. No. So why would I?
Pang ilang matcha na natin to?
Hindi ko na mabilang.
So another matcha, pero this time it's oat. And Madeline. I think Madeline to. Chocolate and vanilla. Here at Green Mile Coffee. Kung saan may kape si Songbird. We're now here at Bukchon Hanok Village. Oh. Bakit siya? So bawal maingay dito. 10:30 AM, konti pa lang yung tao.
It's getting a little bit out of control. The way you look so good without trying it out. And this addiction isn't good for my health, but I don't wanna spend another night by myself. 'Cause I know that I would be dumb to let you go. Why would I follow you?
Parang maliit lang siya. Meron pa pala doon. So, hindi lang pala yon. Meron pala dito pa, I think. Mukhang. And may banner doon na stop the curfew. So, mukhang... Bakit tayo nila nun? Medyo magulo din naman kasi kapag walang curfew eh. Lalo na kung residential area. O si ate nag-jaywalking. Gayahin mo na.
Old-fashioned siya. Siyempre, maninipis lang.
Oo. lusog. Next, go! Go, 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 go! Go, go. Ha? Dito lang tapas. Eh, bakit dun sa kabila tinuturo? So, sulok. Open siya 11.
Matcha ulit.
Para ayoko na ng matcha.
So why would I?
Bawal maingay. Go.
Kasi inaano ka niya, pinopoint ka niya sa...
Sa langit.
Pero walang...
Why would I unfollow you when you're the only thing on hollow in me? Why would I go and hide the truth when I feel so empty without you?
Sarap. It's really good. So, ano naman tong tea na to? Post fermented tea with sweet pear and honey scent. Mabango ah. Mabango pero ba't ganun lasa? Ito masarap. No. 41,400. Thank you. So, hindi siya tax-free. Okay lang kasi madami akong kailangan sa tax-free. Thank you. A cafe here sa Ocelot, second floor.
when I feel so empty without you.
Ang ganda nung bundok dun. Okay, we're here. Sky Hub Lounge.
Another fair relationship, guess it's back to situationships. Till this whole dying soul feels half alive. I've looked for opportunity from East LA to Tennessee, and I hope it comes by 2025. There's a four-way stop on a one-way
May natitira pang macaron.
and that two-time view
Lungkot naman, isa lang.
If this is truly not for me, why the hell am I still out here waiting?
Sabi na, antok ako. Sana makatulog ako sa plane. Though, less than 2 hours lang naman yung biyahe. Sorry ka. Boarding na pala. Yung plane pala from Incheon to Osaka, sa Terminal 2, nagbaba. So ngayon, maglo-load lang ako ng IC card ko, Igoka.
All these holes in my chest from the war inside. Baby, by the look in my terrified.
So may direct train naman from here going sa hotel. So we're here at Bentencho Station.
before we stop on one way.
So here's Art Hotel sa Cavite. So may family mart na kasi. Doon pala.
Not too damn you never felt like home. This place is truly meant for me. Why the hell am I still out here waiting? Don't know why the city lights.
So this is beer cola. Ang sarap. Chicken skin.
Don't shine on me, break my back.
Frozen chocolate banana.
Ice cream roasted siya.
Chocolate banana. Hindi siya ice cream na frozen. Kailangan ko ng ice cream.
Alam mo, kung bibili ako ng ganyan sana, hindi kasi sarap. Parang ko kung natunaw na siya, tapos binenta ko.
Nag-ice tea na ice. Ito masarap. Wala yung creme brulee.
Kaya nga, hindi ko na-force.
Isa lang pa yung freezer. Sige, ito na lang try natin. Sino pong lasing? IC card yung pinantatap sa pintuan ng hotel.
Wala, hindi ko naman siya nag-work. Baka na-deactivate. Sabi ko. Oh no.
Story time. May nakadalawang beer po. Tapos, papasok kami sa hotel, sa kwarto. Ang tinatap ay Coca card. Tapos nagtataka ba tayo gumana? Sayang, hindi ko na-videoan. Nakakainis. Sana pala pinatagal ko muna. Sana inintay kong mainis siya.
Alam mo, gagawin ko. Punta ako sa front desk. So, gagawin ko doon. My roommate, no work.
So, dumami na. 7-Eleven ba yung dinaanan natin? Family Mart. Siyempre, every day, try tayo ng ice cream sa convenience store. So, this is premium
Kunin ko rin sa akin.
rich milk ice cream.
Tada!
Tikman na natin. Tikman na natin.
You know I know that it's kinda hard when it's something that I want so bad. I'm second guessing,
Yun.
but I was sure of. Get the inside of dying, emotionally violent. Tell me what the hell am I doing?
Sarap.
Yung ano,
Lasa siyang gatas. Gatas ng gatas.
sa mga donut.
Oo, lasa.
Diba? Kaya sabi ko para siyang ice cream.